Bro, I'm so hungry.
Me too, but ain't the teacher talking? Let's listen.
Man, fine. I always gotta listen. Let's just see what he has to say. Alright, class, so today, I'm gonna have a firefighter come in, and he's gonna tell you guys about fire and fire safety drill, what you have to do, and make sure you guys pay attention. I'm gonna go to the teacher's lounge because I have a meeting, so bye.
You know what that means, right?
Yeah, the teacher. Eating time. Let's go. Yeah, the teacher just left. Alright, bro, yeah, I just brought a whole bucket of popcorn. Let's go. Let's grab it. Hi, guys. My name is Bob, and I am a firefighter from Illinois County. And I'm talking about fire drills today, so you better be on your best behavior. And first, we're gonna be talking about stop, drop, and roll. So everybody, when you catch on fire, stop, drop, and roll. And also, hey, are you guys eating? No. Stop eating now. No. Hey guys, stop eating in my class. Hey, yo, wait, where did the firefighter just go?
I don't know.
I wonder where he went. Let's continue eating our food.
Hi there.
How did you...
Stop.
Ah!
Ow! 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 Hey, you're not my dad! Get your hands off me! You're not my dad! You're not my dad!
Oh no, I gotta make a break for it.
You're not my dad!
Man, that firefighter is mad crazy. Ow, man.
What are you doing out of class?
Nothing. I was going to use the bathroom. Stop it. Huh?
This is what you get for skipping class.
I wasn't skipping class. The firefighter is mad crazy. He's hitting people.
You're lying.
No. No.
I'm gonna walk away.
I won't let you tell. Dig it. Boom. Just, oh man. I gotta make it outside to my friend. Dang it, that little boy escaped. I gotta go chase him. He's probably outside. Fine, let's skip from school. Now I gotta run to church. Oh, sorry about my chips on. We'll be hungry. Hey, bro, wait up. No, fuck you. No, yo, what the freak? Yo, why did you leave me?
Because I didn't want to get that firefighter to catch us. Because he's mad crazy, bro.
Good thing we made it outside, though.
Let's go all the way to that church up there.
Yeah, that church looks fun. We could probably hide there.
This is why I hate these kids. Now they have to run away.
Oh, that's why I hate them so much. Let me go find them.
Meow, meow.
I have to get those kids. Bro, we finally escaped, and we got some snacks. Hey, wait, what's that? It's the firefighter. I gotta get out of here. Okay, bro, we got no... Quick, bro, what do we do?
Oh, we have no other choice but to jump.
Okay. What? Ow! Ow, my back! I fell to the ground. Hey, bro, are you okay? Bro, I'm too tired. I can't move.
Are you okay, bro?
Oh, no, he's coming.
That's it. You're going to be in the cell.
No, wait. On my face.
You're next.
Please, no. Now climb that fence.
Make me. Okay.
What happened? Hey, you just threw us in here.
Yeah, let us out.
That's child's abuse. Yeah, let us out right now.
I'm not letting you guys out until you guys do 18 push-ups.
18 push-ups, man. Fine, come on, bro. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
We're done.
10, 11,
He said
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. One more, bro. We can do this. 18. Bro, look, the gate's open. We're finally out of here.
He's teaching us a lesson, bro.
No, let's get out of here. Hurry, run. Yeah.
Guys, get back here now.
Oh, bro, finally we made it.
Yeah.
Oh,
You better run.
no. What do you want? What do you want?
I'll leave y'all off with a warning.
Wait, we're free?
One thing. Y'all got cheese crackers?
No.
No.
Come on, man, let's go home.
Let's go.
Finally, it's over.
Listen,